Hi, Shri.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. Anong meron dito sa loob? Ah, that's it? Meron pa ba? Meron ba tayong papasok? Meron pa ba dito? Okay, ano to?
No way.
It's so dark though.
That's a cherry. Collard cherry.
Oh, wow. Oh, di ba? Panalo. Ay, owl. Oh, look at that. Is that, oh, the owl? Is that owl? Oh, finally, we've seen a real,
I don't know what type of owl, but it says over here somewhere.
we,
Burrowing owl.
okay, that's nice.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, wow. Cactus. Of course. Grabe, guys. Oy. Oh, dragon fruit. Saan ang dragon fruit?
Not look like a desert at all. Well, of course it does. They got cactuses and stuff.
Yeah, that's true. You're right, yeah. It's a desert. We just believe it.
Yeah,
Not look like a desert.
we're in Omaha. It's the Omaha Desert.
Yeah, there you go.
Look, and there's just a piece of petrified wood.
Oh, wow. Grabe. Ano ba to? Saan ba ako lalabas? Saan ba exit neto? Ang laki naman neto. Ay, sorry.
That guy. I want like a big picture of those because it's so satisfying. Like the lizards. Found the turtle. Yeah, the turtles in the corner.
Meron pa ba doon?
Oh yeah.
Paano ba ito lumabas? Oh. Meron na naman ba? Meron ba dito? Ayoko naman yan.
Really? I didn't know you guys had those.
They're the most poisonous bug. They got tiny little mouths.
Saan ba to, guys? Saan ba tayo labasan dito? Diyos me. Hindi ko alam saan ang labasan exit.
Snakes.
Oh. Oh, wow.
I'm not a snake guy. There's several of them.
Oh, wow. No, good thing in Alaska there's no snake.
Yeah, you guys don't know.
Oh my goodness. We're so... We have only bear and moose.
Well, that's plenty big.
Yeah. Not like this. Very sneaky, sneaky.
Nope.
Ay, sorry.